Kotoko no Eko International 2024 Kotoko European Tour no club no announce ya say no Kotoko de nani be kire Europe as part of pre-season ebekọ so in 2024 no na emu nkyeremu nyina no me de brew ewofie ha Super 24 TV enya tohope ye de be brew we kai se Kumasi Asante Kotoko during Prosper coach Ogum time in 2021 the first stint na Nana Amponsa mreso coach eni gina ho no omukọ Dubai tour enye the first time Kotoko ebekọ tour bi sei ni na Dubai tour na was successful Kotoko buy no be win league no na ene anopai ewie Kotoko aye final na say why announcement say there is another European tour mo beko na with that European tour no emu nkyeremu na bibia no on Friday which is 8th of December 2023 yenyina yemra Lancaster Hotel a ewo Kumasi edum mesi Kumasi edum de nyame side ho no na press briefing media lunch na omo lunch de rotor na ebekoso no emu details yeka Europe tour na chese Europe continent but nkuro sen Kotoko beko Europe countries sen obeko England we are no oko ebia Spain we are no oko Italy ni nyina no Kumasi Asante Kotoko say Friday in Centrofo ena obia minim sa supporters kan ho dia but the omoye ne say obetima bugu reservation opeso ye part of the whole lunch ebeba so na we supporter why not unso betima ba Lancaster Hotel Friday 11 AM ena sa lunch na eba so questions bia wo bia no obetimi abebusa mpanyifo the answers amount after the lunch no me sure say akoko nam na nsuo kakra de ebefa nipa minim if say nipa befa car na aba ena Kotokofo mpanyifo se yeduro nso a yewi a yebesa atwamfoni players ni bi beba ne ade a enti Friday yi no de ewo ho no we indication of one thing Kotoko is moving professionally statement no ha ma mputom ma kakra bi de ebekoso no also general itinerary and schedule that's the things on the agenda and expected duration and training regime and goals and objectives for the pre-season program and opportunities for the media access and engagement. That's questions near the idea about the event no and the media tour no. And the event will also feature opening remarks from the club officials and key stakeholders and interactive questions and answer session and no crowd no last one no photo shoot opportunities into baby a place ne officials we are ba enkoye chinchina atwe ko media to we are ne asore ne eko but photo shoot opportunities na etiki mfoni na yenyina yenye ho ntia se enti on the date no Friday no baby nkura hodo akotoko beko no nyina no it is going to be established na almost still na omuguso refine the whole media tour no me say the whole Europe tour no inti by Friday the no more seal awie na omo the more briefing no abre na yakuti ewo ho na your Super 24 you ginam den the better form on that be the bebro ewo this particular Euro tour Kotoko ebe kono so but that's so ne bedi kaso